My name is Haroon. There was a time when I felt extremely motivated. I created big plans. I told myself, I will change my life. I will improve my English. I will become disciplined. For the first few days, everything felt exciting. I woke up early. I studied regularly. I practiced speaking English every day. But after some time, the excitement disappeared. I started feeling lazy. One day I skipped practice, then another day. Slowly my routine disappeared. At first I blamed myself. I thought maybe I'm not serious. Maybe I don't have enough passion. One evening I visited a small gym near my house. I saw an older man exercising quietly. He looked calm and disciplined. I asked him, "How do you stay consistent every day?" He smiled and said, "I don't wait for motivation." That answer surprised me. He continued, "Motivation comes and goes, but habits keep you moving." Those words stayed in my mind. That night I thought deeply. Maybe my mistake was depending too much on feelings. I only worked when I felt motivated. But real growth does not work that way. The next day I made a simple rule: practice English every day, even if I don't feel motivated. Some days I studied with energy, some days I studied without interest. But I still showed up. Slowly something changed. My routine became stronger. I no longer asked myself, "Do I feel motivated today?" Instead, I asked, "What is my responsibility today?" Days passed, weeks passed. My English improved again. But more importantly, my mindset became stronger. I realized something powerful. Motivation starts the journey, but discipline continues it. Now, whenever I feel lazy, I remind myself of the man in the gym. He did not depend on feelings, he depended on consistency. And consistency created strength. Final thought: do not stop when motivation disappears. Keep going because discipline creates lasting progress. Ending line: keep learning English, keep showing up daily. And always remember, motivation starts the journey, discipline finishes it.